This is Jay peeling off the scales with his own hands of this big parrotfish that we're going to have for dinner. Honey, tell them how you're doing it.
By the finger.
With the fingers? Okay. Is this the local style to do this? Local way? Yes.
No, this is the man style.
Oh, the man style. Okay. You're doing a good job there. It's a big fish, huh? How much was it per pound?
Hey, I caught this. What do you mean?
Oh, you caught that. Okay, it wasn't roadside roadside fishing?
It wasn't roadside fishing.
Oh, okay.
No way.
No?
What do you think I am?
Okay. I just want to make sure we got that right.